Welcome, everyone. Today, we are exploring how to build a portfolio that effectively showcases your generative AI skills. In a rapidly evolving tech landscape, having a strong collection of projects is essential for career advancement. Whether you are looking for a new job or aiming for a promotion, this guide will help you demonstrate your capabilities to potential employers. So, why is a portfolio so important specifically for generative AI? First, it provides career proof. Employers want to see tangible evidence that you can build functional applications, not just that you understand the theory. Second, it offers differentiation. The field is competitive, and unique projects help you stand out. Finally, deep learning happens by doing. Building these projects is the single best way to reinforce your technical skills. Your portfolio should highlight 4 core competencies. Number 1 is prompt engineering, showing you can control model outputs. Number 2 is API integration, demonstrating you can connect code to powerful models like GPT-4 or Gemini. Number 3 is retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, which is crucial for business applications. And number 4 is basic user interface design, ensuring your tools are usable by others. Let's look at our first project idea, a specialized content creator. The goal here is to build a tool that generates specific types of text, like a tech blog writer or a cooking recipe generator. You would use large language model APIs to power the backend. This project demonstrates your ability to fine-tune prompts and handle text input and output effectively. Project idea number 2 involves visual creativity, a custom image generator. You could build a logo maker or a concept art tool using APIs from Stable Diffusion or DALL-E. The key here is to implement prompt chaining, where your code refines the user's simple input into a complex, detailed prompt to generate high-quality images. Our third project is a high-value skill, retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG. Create an application where users can upload a document, like a PDF, and ask questions about it. This requires you to set up a vector database and connect it to a language model. It shows employers you know how to ground AI responses in real, factual data. Building the project is only half the battle. Presentation matters. Always host your code on GitHub with a clean structure and a clear README file. Ideally, provide a live demo link so recruiters can try it instantly. A short video walkthrough is also incredibly powerful for sharing on social platforms like LinkedIn. To build these projects, you will need a standard toolkit. Python is the primary language you should use. Hugging Face is an excellent platform for hosting models and DMOS. Streamlit and Gradio are Python libraries that allow you to build web interfaces very quickly. And of course, Jupyter notebooks are perfect for experimenting and documenting your process. As you build, keep best practices in mind. AI ethics are paramount. Ensure your tools do not generate harmful content and be transparent about using AI. Also, manage your costs carefully by setting limits on your API usage. This shows professional maturity and responsibility. To wrap up, remember that you do not need to be an expert to start. The most important step is to pick one simple project and build it from start to finish. Your portfolio will grow alongside your skills. So, what will you create first? Thank you for watching and happy building.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.